guys, what's up? It's your girl Sashi E. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be doing my straight hair to curly hair routine. I know you guys, my hair don't look the straightest, but your girl got wet up in the rain yesterday, so it did start to puff out just a little bit. Well, a lot of it. But yeah guys, so I am about to get right into it. So I did do a silk press and a cut on my hair in one of my latest videos. If you guys have not seen that, I'll link it up in the iCard so that you guys can check it out. So as far as my hair, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it into 4 sections. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna go in with is the original Olaplex hair protector. This is number 3 to repair and strengthen all hair types. I'm gonna go in with this one, and this is not a conditioner, you guys. This is actually a bond builder. So if you guys do any type of like chemical treatment or you apply excessive heat on your hair, it's really important to go in with something like this to really repair those protein bonds that have been broken down in your hair. So to get started, I am going to just lightly damp my hair with water. Y'all, I love how even my hair is now. Look at that. As you guys can see, it's starting to reverse, looking as pretty as ever. So I'm going to take a generous amount of this and just apply it to the section. How quick that was, y'all. 100% reverted. 100% reverted. Look how even it looks and healthy it looks. Okay. Y'all, look how healthy my hair is. That cut definitely did your girl just right. Do a spin. Alright guys, so I am gonna get started with the wash and go. I did rinse out the hair mayonnaise, and now I am going to start adding the products on my wash and go. So I'm only going to be using 3 things. So I'm gonna saturate my hair with this melanin multi-use softening leave-in conditioner. So I'm gonna add this to my hair, and then I'm gonna go in with the same argan oil that I use to help detangle my hair. This is the Argan Oil Morocco Penetrating Oil, all hair types. Y'all, I love this stuff. It's literally magic in a bottle. And then, as you guys know, my holy grail, my eco styler, I'm gonna add this on top. So let me just section my hair off. Okay, and this is the hair, looking pretty good. I'm gonna take 2 pumps. 2 pumps, and I'm just gonna add it to this section. Take about a half a pump and add to this bottom section, and then a half a pump and add to the top. And then I'm gonna get the penetrating hair oil and just add that to the section. And then I'm adding the Eco Styler gel. Love this stuff. Y'all see how quickly my curls are defined? Wow. And I'm using the raking method right now. I might go between the raking and the shingling method. And this is why I love Eco Styler gel. Y'all, look at my curls. Look at them. So pretty. Okay, let's work our way up. And then I'm shingling them just a little bit. I rake first and then I go back through and shingle. And shingling is just taking them little by little and running your hands with product down the hair shaft. Hey guys, so I am done applying the product to my hair. So I'm just gonna let my hair dry a little bit and then I'll come back to you guys in a bit. Come up close so you guys can see, get a little bit of a texture shot. Alright guys, so I just wanted to come back and show you guys my hair. As you guys can see, it is not 100% dry, but that's nothing new. I'm gonna just let it air dry over the next few hours. But as you guys can see, my hair completely reverted. It's looking nice and healthy since that cut. If you guys have not seen the video where I pressed and cut my hair, I will link it above. Definitely check it out after you check out this video, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!